Word, Module 7, Illustrating Documents with Graphics. This is the visual workshop assignment, so go ahead and open the file. The pictures are included in the file. And there are directions in the book, but I'd like to help you with this one. So the first thing you'll do is select the title and put it in Word Art. And again, you can select anything you'd like. And if you want, you can go into the text fill and go into gradient and then choose more. And with the gradient fill, again, you can maybe change the colors if you'd like and change the layout a little bit. Let's see. You can experiment as you go. I'm going to change the font size just so transportation is on the first, so I'm just going to press the decrease font size just so it goes on to one line. I'll close out of the format shape, and then I'll change in format shape the text effects, transform, and again select anything you like. I think the double wave before. Oops, helps if you select it. Then I'll try again. Anything you'd like. We have a little bit to change with the paragraphs. So the paragraph that has the list of items. So select that, your very first list of 5 items, and that's actually going to be a text box. So with it selected, choose Insert, Text Box, and Draw. And then click the layout options and choose in front of text, just so you can, with the 4 arrows, move it out of the way down at the bottom. And then you can change it to about half the width. Consists. So it went about that size. And again, remember when we went to shape format, you can select just what comes with the theme styles, or if you wanted to add some fancy outlines, change the thickness of it, change the color of the outline. You can get as creative as you'd like. And then the other text box, Get Involved. They didn't do it as a text box, but I thought it was a lot easier to manage, and I'll show you. So I'm going to select that and do like I just did the other one, Insert Text Box, Draw Text Box. And again, see how it's hard to move? So make sure you choose the layout options and select in front of text. And I'm moving it over to the right-hand side on the bottom. I'm going to make that much more narrow, and then drag it over. It looks like it's in the middle there. Now if I click away from it, see how it still has the box around it? So if I click the box, I can get fancy with it, or if you wanted to, so that it's not showing that it's a box, go to Shape Outline and have no outline, and then no one knows it's a box. You can still move it, but no one knows that's text box. And then this top section is going to be changed to 2 columns, but before I get into that, I want to work with the pictures. So right now there are 4 separate pictures, and I'm going to select each picture and choose the layout options and stick to that in front of text. And things are going to move around, but that's okay. So click the next one and the same thing in front of text, and then the next one, and there's just one more behind it. So click, if I can get the one, maybe move that one so I can click that one that I didn't get, and then choose in front of. So I have all 4 of them so I can move. So now you can move them freely. So somehow they made them just a little bit bigger. You can eye it so that they're about the same size. And then what I'll show you what I'm going to do is you can with the picture, you can go to picture format and change the layout and select a style that you find interesting. That's a nice one on the side like that. But I would do them individually. So if you select that, you can actually make the picture bigger. Oops, not the text, the picture. So I'll have to move the text box first. Maybe this one's too much work. And then make the picture bigger. There. And you can do the same thing for the rest of the picture so they match. So I have two different styles for the picture layout, so it's your choice if you want it to be on the left-hand side or to follow the book, and I'll just show you where those are. So I'm in the third one, and you can either choose this style, the picture accent blocks, or the textbook used this one right here. So it's up to you which one you'd like to use. But I would do it for each picture. And then just click the text box and type whatever it has in the sample. And it makes it smaller so that it would fit in there. And the next one. And continue. So if you do want the pictures all the same, you can click the one that is different, go to picture formats, and change the shape. So with the picture selected, make sure you choose Smart Art Design, and then go back in and choose so they all match. So that's up to you. So the last part is select the above the pictures, all the text above the pictures, but I'm just going to and don't worry, it won't affect the pictures that are selected here. Choose Layout, Columns, More. We want 2 and only 0.2 spacing between, and no line, and OK. And I'm just going to move the picture manually. Sometimes it moves, sometimes it doesn't. Make sure you move with the 4 arrows. And there you have it. So if you want, you can add a page border in Design and page color, and it's a save and submit. Thank you.